Hello, folks! If you're keen on enhancing your YouTube shorts with custom thumbnails, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on this process. Step 1. Upload the YouTube shorts. Begin by uploading your chosen content as a YouTube short. Keep in mind, if you already uploaded a short, you can't alter the thumbnail later. Thus, always choose the thumbnail before initiating the upload. Click the plus icon and select Upload a Video. Step 2. Select your short. Navigate to and choose the video you want as your YouTube short. For today's demonstration, I have a video of dance cover. Step 3. Title your short. Click Next, ensuring all settings align with your preference. At this point, title your short. For instance, I'll label mine Title. Step 4. Selecting the custom thumbnail. Hold off on clicking Upload Short just yet. You'll spot a new pencil icon in the top left corner. If it's not there yet, rest assured it'll arrive soon as YouTube rolls this out to more users. Tapping the pencil allows you to select a custom thumbnail for your short. Scrub through your video to pick a frame that best represents your content and compels viewers to click. Click Done and voila! Your custom thumbnail is set. Currently, these methods only work on smartphones. If you're uploading from a desktop, you might notice a thumbnail option, but it'll notify you that thumbnails for short can't be changed presently. And that wraps up our tutorial on adding custom thumbnails to your YouTube shorts.